Welcome, today I am with Realme Narzo 30A and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in the smartphone. So at the first, when you take a look on the screen, you can find already installed protection. It's very thin foil. You can leave this foil, but you can also improve toughness of your display and apply here the tempered glass. And that's what I'm going to do. But you can decide if you want to leave it or just remove. So we have two essential things. We have to remember to be in the quiet place and also to get good lighting condition to see every mess that we have on our display. Of course, in my case, it looks really nice because I just use this kind of the wipe before recorded this video. But if you have any greasy marks or fingerprints, you will definitely need these two wipes that you can find in the box. So take a look, we got wet and the dry wipes. At first we are going to use the wet one to remove fingerprints from the display. If this wipe is not wet, it sometimes happens, you can use something like the window cleaner. Soak this wipe with this cleaner and then make moves like that in the circle to clean your whole display. You have to remember to reach a very edge and corner. And as you can see right now, it looks definitely better. And we have to open the dry wipe. And right now remove all of these wet marks after the wet cleaning with the dry wipe. Okay, and right now, if you have any piece of the dust on the screen, you have to also remove it. So we can make it by this wipe, dragging to the bottom of your display, or you can use duct tape or any kind of the additional stickers that you have in this box set. In my case, everything is fine, so I can finally grab my glass, remove this foil, this sticker. But unfortunately, this sticker is not following with the foil. So we can remove foil manually. You have to put your fingernail underneath this foil from one of the edge, for example here. And there it is. Right now, keep holding the bottom part and put the glass for upper section of the screen. You have to remember to apply the glass evenly, the same for the both edges. So I'm gonna put it a little bit to the left side. Okay, and right now it looks really cool. So I'm going to put the bottom part. And take a look right now, as you can see it goes automatically, we don't even have to press on the screen. But you can for sure to make it faster. And we can find here these glue marks. So to remove them, we have to use this dry wipe and take a look how easy we can get rid of them. When you press, they will disappear. So that's what I'm going to do for the whole screen. Okay, and take a look. Oh, it just sticks to my finger. And take a look, as you can see, we finally get rid of most of these marks. Right now we can turn on our screen, and as you can see, we don't have any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying this glass on your screen, even with this additional protection and the foil. So yeah, as you can see, that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.